Let's talk about resourcing in Workamajig. Typically, your projects know what types of resources they're going to need. And if you don't have teams automatically assigned to the different accounts that you service, we need a place to make sure that those resources are known, but we also need to make sure that nothing falls through the cracks. So, for that, we're going to look at the staff schedule. The staff schedule in Workamajig can provide us with a great deal of information. As you run the staff schedule, you're going to have a variety of different search options that you can utilize, so that you're not always having to look at everybody, but you may want to just simply look at a certain team, certain services, maybe a certain office. When you run the information, you can also decide what kind of time frame do I need to look at. I'm looking at 4 weeks out. There's a variety of other standard durations that you can look at, or a fully customized duration date range. When the information is brought up, it will give us, of course, the staff member, what kind of allocation they have currently, what percentage of their time is being utilized, and how much time they have remaining for additional task assignments. I can look at this in a weekly summary, or I can toggle to a daily look. And sometimes it's a good idea to look at the daily because, as you can see, there's issues that I didn't notice when I was looking at the weekly summary. Down below, this is letting me know what types of resources I have need of. So I have projects in my system that I've said I need a designer, I need someone to do some SEO work, I need a programmer, but they haven't been assigned out yet. So those will appear down below in the roles selection until we get them assigned, making sure that we don't miss them. If I select any one of these, not only is it going to show me where I need a graphic designer across the variable projects, but it's going to filter my staff members to show me only those who can provide graphic design as a service from their employee record. There's no need for me to see others. I just need to know who can do this and what kind of availability they have. This way, I can easily take either a single task or even multiple projects at a time and assign those tasks out very quickly, making sure that as they get assigned out, they are being transitioned to different staff members' workload. And ultimately, when I get to the end, I'll know that I have absolutely addressed all of my design needs because there is no more service designated in the roles area. It's gone because it's all been addressed, and it has already been reflected in my various designers' workload for this duration. So I can immediately see what any ramifications to those additional task assignments will have to their allocations over the next weeks to come. People call in sick sometimes, and if that happens, or if somebody simply needs to have a look at a certain person's workload, you can click on their name or you can click on any of these numbers. Either way, it's going to show me everything that they're assigned to. So if somebody is sick one day and you know that they're assigned to be working on certain tasks, you can easily adjust that task. You could drill into the task itself and leave a note or let them know that this is going to be a high priority task when they get back and it maybe needs to be done by a certain time of day. Or just take that task and reassign it to somebody else. Send them a notification, let them know, hey, somebody's out sick and I really need you to take care of this for me today. All of that can be done right from the drill down, so you don't have to go back into all of those different projects, and you certainly don't have to go task by task. Included in these numbers are a variety of other items. There's more to our day than simply task assignments. So, included in the calculation is going to be company holidays. If we have a holiday one week, we don't have 40 hours of work available, so we need to make sure that we're being proactive with that. There's going to be vacations. Sooner or later, people need to take a vacation, and when they put that time on the vacation calendar, that's going to feed into our staff schedule so we can be proactive, knowing when we're going to be light on services due to planned time off, and making sure that we can make adjustments if there's any slip in the schedules that they've been assigned to up until that time. And of course, meetings. Meetings are part of our day. And if we didn't include that, we might be overbooking people and not even know it. So if you take a glance at anybody's actual assignments, you will see, of course, their tasks. But you will also see any of the meetings that they've committed to, any kind of vacation time, and any company holidays. So all this information is feeding into the staff schedules so that we can be informed and we can be proactive, and we can always know what kind of resources we have available now, but also what kind of availability we have for more project intake.